Barati ni gabe kari ganalio kwa gachachi abisi chinene che county ejo chimanyekanete buna county headquarters barabare amone school yaba muraya Kisi school ubaracho ward umusaki to bamangana maya hesbon bosire tiatore roboti rwasinchira yiwekera
Maiga miaka 12 kwaera gesa serikali ya Kenya echakia chi serikali chechi county county ya Kisi niko yanyari kwa bakego chakia kwa gacha chia bisi che county ane mono chimanyekante buna county chinyombe chio niko chia chakire kwa gachu barabare amone school yaba muraya Kisi school na barabare ase amagacho amanengi nyagitari ya Cancer Center yanyara kwa bagiye kwigurwa amono muraibuense amatuko make anyari kwa bakagweta
zaidi wakati kwa all departments working together in one headquarters, it will be able to improve the efficiency of staff and be able to give us productivity.
Umugavana bwe county ya Kisi Muskepol Simba arati ni gaibe kari genalio bwagachi wechinyomba echo abo asanya kwa korokia omugokoye na koria eiranga abakori emirimo bonsi be serikali niko barabe ko bakokora emirimo koru ase chiabisi echo buna enchira eye mojo gwikania emirimo gochi aso mwana inchi bwe county ya Kisi.
Sana to launch the headquarters ye county aiga asobolmo no boyanye na Cancer Center egendete kwa gachi timos negendete kwa ndande koros negendete banda ko wiki yaita na gendo ronka nyoranga mundu yata medical ekraire 200 actually 320 million is in his account, but he has not started. And the project is 3 million. The same project to our own contractor once a year. Or to say everything equity. And around given nene. The year near Kevin.
It is a good day for the Kisi County because after 12 years, this is the first time we have come to lay the stones for the foundation of the county headquarters.
You see what was not achieved in those many years, you have achieved it inside 2 years. Congratulations, Your Excellency.
Department chonspi no chiwo cha cooperate kuga gaba mpwele nyabako cha kuminyoka mwangago cha ugenda ukaramata tugari cho sign biashara mne mbiyo aigo lazima machine ya robo sibuago ekomanye emanye na wasoire naende bokwenda range ogende machine ya korole naende sana ne korokwenda naende korole naende sisa ikone korole kera kwenda yeye ekero kugenda iskolas mimanye kaninga skochi okwa. And we are going to do this even at the sub-county level.
Boigoni kanya kwa bakakwira libageri gwakira ekambani ya faumbu ya mono asoko beka chi system ekirachi kunya kwa kigokonya kurigereria na boyo ko mongera emirimo bunira be kwa bagiye kwanekirwa imeye county ya Kisi.
Twakire fao ya mono. Machine batu bekene lab batu na serigaje. Lab go jalo borkia malmaito ngakiali. Ikiagere systems fao ya toi koro kiro bolemu ngikigendere toro igono ya investor se bawocha kwanza ko kolega siabo koleta kibesa aiga without batabwa tuwo babonde mwese
Naboigo aba MCA banyako bakonyora libaga na gukwana niko banyako bakumwakira omugavana Paul Simbambu ya mono ase omukia uri anyako bakakogenda kubekana kweneke buna account ya Kisi negenderete kuna gukina.
Great you that you have now started this project and it's going to cost much less than what we had proposed because now it's going to cost 500 million. As a member of the budget committee,
the committee will make sure to make us support 100%. Tunaomba contractor mwenye amepewa hiyo kandarasi hakikisha ya kwamba tumemwombea mazuri, achenge kwa haraka, at least wakati mwingine tunapata nafasi ya ukuja kusalimia hapa kama MCAs wa Kisi County.
re okuburia guche asomo governor we county ya Kisii anyara ko bagako enekia aba contractor bari banyate ko bakwegwa chigasi chi county baenekie buna kunyara ko bari bago chikora boikanu na boigo banya ko bagokora kolengana amune birengo biri chitakeire gokora nyuma batara akanu enengo yabo.
Job, Your Excellency, in our wards they are not doing a good job. Your Excellency, it is shaming us as leaders. Tumeweka pesa ya barabara mzuri, tumeweka ya kila hiyo department zingine mzuri, Your Excellency, tumeweka mzuri, lakini kazi inafanywa duni, Your Excellency, ambayo inatupatia aibu sisi. Nikisimama kwa watu unapata nimepata aibu. Your Excellency, make sure people who have been given jobs, they do a job.
Oi gona ni go banyare ko ba ko bori obwaga chibunga buno bumbo chikonya bonyara ko bo weekend go asset sub county au.
It's also good that you go to the sub-county headquarters so that you can institute such similar good projects so that the county government of Kisii is seeing every part.
Incorporated MSI Yamangana Maya, Retariane Hespon Posire.